So I'm going to do a review of TAI. I think that's how you pronounce this. Chicken fried rice. So, got this at Dollar General. It's pretty good. I've had this before. It's pretty good. Let me put the camera so it doesn't fall. There we go. I think the camera will be fine here. So, I don't think you're supposed to put water in this, but I did. I don't know. Put water in this. I don't know if you're supposed to. I don't know. This stuff is really good. I had this before from Dollar General. I don't know if I don't think it's a Dollar General exclusive. I don't think so, but I'm not really too sure. So it's got white meat chicken, vegetables, and fried rice with oyster-flavored sauce. 9 grams of protein, 520 calories, white meat chicken. It's really good. So, I had the other, I think there's other flavors. Yeah, there's other flavors too. But every time I get that flavor, the white meat chicken, the chicken fried rice here. I'd give this a 7 out of 10. It's actually pretty good, so peace.